Hi guys, Stormboy13. It's time for the weather forecast for the week ahead. And well, so far this November has been pretty dry and also quite overcast as well. So also reasonably mild as well. And it's going to be kind of like this for the week ahead as well. Today's weather, I'll just get to the forecast straight away. It was quite a foggy start to the morning time, a lot of cloud for most places. I think it did burn up, and I think the best of the sunshine today, a little bit tricky though in the terms of the data, around northern and central, maybe southern England. I think the central swathe of the UK seeing the best of the sunshine that I'm currently under. A bit more cloud elsewhere, especially in the west. Temperatures, another very mild day, around 10 to 13 degrees Celsius for many areas. Very mild in Belfast though, 15 degrees Celsius. It's not often Northern Ireland has the warmest of the temperatures, but there you go, unseasonably warm for the time of the year there. But overall a mild day with some sunny spells. Now, a few showers also in southeast England. I think overnight we're going to see a small weather front trying to move southeastwards overnight, but because of the high pressure really close by, it's really struggling to make progress. So I think around Northern Ireland, maybe parts of the very western fringes of England, we'll see some showery rain, let's say, but even that, many places are dry nights, clear spells, not particularly cold overnight, with minimum of 6 to 10 degrees Celsius. So for this week's weather, it is going to be a reasonably mild start, albeit quite cloudy again. Slightly less mild with some showers, but a bit of sunshine for a time, and then turns cloudier, mild again, with just some occasional rain around, but not a huge amount, so another reasonably dry week. Monday's weather, fairly similar. I think the weather fronts that we'll be seeing early on Monday in the very western fringes of England will be fizzling away, so really it'll just be a blanket of cloud. I think more cloud elsewhere generally than compared to Sunday. Some sunny spells pretty much anywhere. A very slim risk of a shower, but overall it's a dry day. I think the most risk of showers will be across northern areas. The weather fronts will be close by. Temperatures very similar to Sunday, 10 to 13 degrees Celsius. Not quite as mild in Northern Ireland, but still above average for this time of year in November. Tuesday's weather, again, a lot of clouds, but there are signs it is starting to turn a bit cooler in the north, where we'll see a slight change in the wind direction. I think a bit more sunshine there, but also some pretty frequent showers. But I think, again, most places cloudy, a little bit of drizzle, light rain possible with some limited sunny spells. Temperatures 8 to 10 in the north, around 11 to 14 again in the south, with a lot more cloud around. Now into Wednesday, briefly, we will start to see a little bit more of a showery air mass coming in across the UK into Wednesday. I think, like I said, Wednesday probably the brightest, but also unusually the wettest day of the week, where we will also have a picture of sunshine and showers. Anywhere can see some showers. Northern Ireland and parts of Western Scotland may see more localised rain, so a bit of a wetter picture for you there. But I think elsewhere, sunshine showers to picture. Showers can form just about anywhere. I think most likely to be in Northern England and Northern Ireland. Temperatures, especially in eastern areas, will be in single figures, so probably just around 8 to 10 degrees Celsius. Not quite as cold in the west, 11 to 13 degrees Celsius. That's because weather fronts again close by, so slightly cooler for some, but also a bit wetter for some. Now into Thursday, we're kind of back to where we started in the week ahead. A lot of cloud, milder southwesterly winds coming in across the UK. So Thursday is going to be a day of a few light showers. I think mostly cloudy pretty much for everywhere, with some limited sunny spells. Again, some showers at times, more frequently in the northern half of Scotland and Northern Ireland. Temperatures back, recovering on Thursday, so around 11 to 14 degrees Celsius, so double figures for us all again. And it's pretty much the same into Friday as well. Pretty mild actually. In fact, temperatures may even be the warmest day of the week. 12 to even 15 degrees Celsius quite potentially. Not much rain, probably quite a lot of cloud. Again, some rain at times in northern areas. A little bit of uncertainty as always by the end of the week, but yeah, we're not seeing a huge amount of changes by Wednesday. Into next week is very complicating at the moment. We've got a huge area of high pressure just south of the UK, and it's likely that it's going to be, well, but the jet stream is also north of us as well, so that's going to be mainly staying in place most into next week as well for the moment. But into the start of next week, we will see a temporarily dip, which may introduce colder air, and potentially we may see some rain at times, but it's likely that any rain we may get will be quickly clearing away, and we'll have another dry week with just some occasional showers at times. But that's what I can give you for next week. Certainly, I know there's been also recent predictions it's going to turn much colder, but I don't think it's going to be for the long term ahead. So I think overall into next week, briefly, I'll say colder with some rain into the start of next week, but it's milder and cloudier once again. Jet stream will be a little bit of a roller coaster, let's say. Anyways, but that's it for this week's weather, guys, and that's about it. Be sure to check out my other videos. and have a fantastic week. Stay safe. Storm is now out.